Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Apple Pay for online payments on iPhone Air. If you'd like to use your Apple Pay for online payments, you can go to a website that supports Apple Pay, like for example the Nike website. I'm gonna show you that on the Nike website because it has two features that I want to show you. So let's go here. I'm just gonna select my size. I don't know if that's my size, just a random one. Let's go to checkout now, and now I'm gonna go to guest checkout, and you can see there is express checkout option. If you don't want to use the express checkout option, later on in the video I'm gonna show you the second feature that I said I'm gonna show you, but here I'm gonna just show you the express checkout first. So let's click on Apple Pay, and you can see it already shows me the prompt. The payment method is already selected. I could change it if I had more cards, and I can change my contact info. Let's approve it, and let's change the delivery. I'm gonna select this one because that's where it's available. And now you can see everything is selected. You can also change the shipping method. You can do everything. Then double click on the side button to pay. And that's it. It fills all the info and it's done. So it's great. But if you don't like that, if you don't want to use it that way, you can still just fill in the delivery options and go further. I'm going to fill them in and I'm going to show you. And now, as you can see, I've went through all the steps and I'm in the payment section. And now I can select just Apple Pay and click on continue to order review and submit payment. And now I'm just paying. I'm not filling in all the data. I fill them in manually and I'm just paying. So these are two options that may be available on different websites. Sometimes only the second option will be available, this one. But this is how you can use it. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.